Today we're going to make some really simple and sweet Valentine rainbow painted rocks. I'm starting out with a nice bright pink, and I'm going to start by creating my first arch of the rainbow, and this is going to be my thickest stripe, I guess, on the rainbow. So just going to fill this in and go around the top of the rock. I'm using the shape of the rock as my guide. Then I'm going to take a dotting tool and create some hearts. So this is kind of a dot and drag technique. You start at an angle and drag down a dot, and then create another dot immediately across from that and bring that down at another diagonal angle, and it creates these perfect little hearts. Now we're going to take a lighter pink and create some polka dots along that thicker bright pink stripe that we put down first. So this just creates a nice contrast, but it's not the stark white that the little hearts are. Now we're going to take that light pink paint that we used for the polka dots and create another stripe around the rainbow. This one won't be quite as wide as the bright pink one because our rainbow is starting to lose capacity in the middle. We're losing space in the middle, so it'll be thick but not quite as thick as that bright pink line. Now I'm going to take a Posca PC1MR white paint pen and make a very thin rainbow stripe after that pink one. And then we're going to come back to that bright pink from the original stripe, and we're going to add a heart to the middle of the rainbow at the very bottom. Now to add a little bit of sparkle to this design, we're going to take some extreme hologram glitter paint, and I'm going to take a dotting tool and add this glitter paint to the light pink stripe and the light pink dots, polka dots that are around the large bright pink stripe. So you don't need to add this, it's just a little extra sparkle and bling, but you can also see how easily customizable this design could be. You could change up the order of your stripes. Colors could be all kinds of fun stuff, so lots of customization options. This design would also work really well if you prefer to work mostly with paint pens. Easily use those to draw these simple designs. It's just kind of arches and hearts, maybe some dots, but very easy to do. And I'm just going to finish up by adding some bright pink dot accents in between our white hearts. And here's an example of another color scheme with a little bit different of a design. Here's a much tinier rock with a different color scheme. So lots of options here. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Happy painting and take care.